BIM4EEB has developed a set of tools to make building renovation projects more efficient and effective. The online tools support building maintenance for public and private owners, inhabitants, designers, construction, service and facility management companies. The tools were tested and deployed at 3 demonstration buildings in diverse climates in Europe. The 3 buildings are in Espoo, Finland, Harjuv, Poland and Monza, Italy. During the renovation of the Italian demonstration building, Patrizia helped her mother to use BIM for occupants. The application allows her to access personalized information and historical records related to home temperature, humidity, illuminance and indoor air quality collected by sensors installed at her house. The app also enables residents to keep up to date with work and renovations being carried out on their building and report any hazards or renegotiate scheduled work.
Avevo l'app che mi era stata data per poter giostrare il discorso dei serramenti, quando farli venire, come poter avere la disposizione per poter chiedere i permessi, perché lei da sola non la lasciavo.
Sensors at all demonstration buildings collected data available in the BIM Management System and used by BIM4 occupants and BIM Planner.
During the renovation process, I used 4 different tools. BIM Management System, which help us to share data of the project. BIM Planner, which make easier the planning of the project, and BIM-CPD and BIM4 occupants, which help us to manage the data collected by the sensor.
BIM Planner provides a digital environment to share up-to-date information about plans and site progress operations with all participants of a renovation project. The BIM4EEB Fast Mapping Toolkit uses augmented reality to scan existing buildings. Using a sensor stick and headset, architects, engineers and construction professionals can collect data of hidden elements inside the building walls, such as studs, water pipes and electrical ducts. At the site in Finland, BIM4EEB was used to access and compare several energy refurbishment design options. In the early stages of the design, the tool facilitates the decision-making process, enabling architects and engineers to provide solutions that best fit the client's requirements, while optimizing the energy use and comfort indoors for the occupants. In Harjuv, Poland, the BIM-CPD tool was used with its 3 main functionalities: the constraint checking tool, the performance evaluation tool and the data management tool. BIM's BIM Management System stores and makes information available from different relational databases to the 6 BIM4EEB tools. In Monza, on-site refurbishments include a new coat of insulation on the facade of the building and external windows replaced with new PVC windows. The BIM4EEB toolkit enables more transparency in public procurement, communication among stakeholders throughout the renovation stages, increasing productivity, better management and coordination of information generated by renovation projects. Sensors provide accurate information which increases the efficiency of the renovation process. Better activity tracking throughout the construction process reduces disruption on site and can potentially reduce costs. For more information, access the BIM4EEB website and follow us on our social media.